Imagine waking up every morning to a world where your car isn't just a vehicle, it's a power source. Where drones don't just deliver packages, they bring life-saving medicine in minutes. And all of this is powered by clean, renewable energy, helping to heal our planet instead of hurting it. It might sound like a futuristic dream, but it's already starting to take shape, right now, in Coventry, UK. Stay tuned, because what's happening in this city could change everything we know about energy, transportation, and our future. Welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about the future and love diving into the cutting-edge tech that's changing our world, hit that subscribe button now. Today we're exploring how a city not known for innovation is quietly shaping the future of energy. Coventry, a place traditionally known for its automotive heritage, is now taking the lead in green technology, electric vehicles, and drone-powered solutions. But how exactly is this city changing the game? Let's take a closer look. Coventry is no stranger to innovation. It's home to some of the world's most iconic car manufacturers. But now it's taking its legacy a step further. Imagine a city where the streets aren't filled with pollution, but instead humming with the sound of clean electric vehicles. This is the goal, to create an urban ecosystem where energy flows effortlessly and sustainably, powered by the very technologies that we used to dream about. What makes Coventry stand out is its holistic approach. It's not just about electric cars or drones, it's about weaving these technologies together to create something greater. They're not just building a city, they're building a blueprint for the future. It's a place where clean energy isn't just an idea, it's a reality that will change how we live, how we move, and how we impact the planet. Let's talk about drones. Imagine you're living in a time when you order a product, and within hours it's at your doorstep. No traffic jams, no carbon emissions from delivery trucks. Drones in Coventry are already making this a reality. They're being tested for everything from delivering small packages to offering critical medical supplies to remote areas. But here's where it gets emotional. Think about the difference drones could make in disaster zones, where help often takes too long to arrive. In a world where seconds matter, drones can save lives. In the future, these flying machines will carry medicine to hospitals in minutes, or even deliver food to families in need, all while reducing the environmental toll of traditional delivery systems. This isn't just innovation, it's hope, and Coventry is leading the way. Now let's look at electric cars. Coventry isn't just embracing electric vehicles, it's redefining what they can do. Imagine your car not just taking you from point A to point B, but actually becoming part of a larger energy network, helping to power your home or feed energy back into the grid. That's what Coventry is working on. Vehicles that don't just drive, they interact with the energy systems around them. But the real magic comes in how this helps people. Think about the energy crisis we're facing, rising costs, pollution, and the relentless impact of fossil fuels. Now, picture your electric car as a tool for change. It's a way to not only reduce your carbon footprint, but also make energy more affordable for everyone. Imagine a world where the money you spend on gas is instead used to power your home sustainably. For families struggling with rising electricity bills, this could be life-changing. Now, here's where it all comes together: a fully connected energy future. In Coventry, they're building a city where cars, drones, and homes communicate seamlessly to optimize energy use. Your electric car charges when the sun is shining or when wind energy is at its peak, and when you don't need it, it feeds that energy back into the system, supporting your neighbors, your city, and the environment. This connected future doesn't just reduce waste, it transforms how we think about living sustainably. Imagine a day where every part of your life is part of an intelligent energy system that works for you, not against you. It's a future where your energy use isn't just low cost, it's helping make the planet better for future generations. That's the world Coventry is working to build. Coventry's innovations don't just impact one city, they have the potential to change the world. If they can make these technologies work here, they could be the blueprint for cities everywhere. Imagine a world where every car is electric, every drone is powered by clean energy, and every home runs on renewable power. We could drastically reduce our carbon footprint, alleviate energy poverty, and reverse environmental damage. Coventry's work is a powerful reminder that change doesn't have to be slow or out of reach. It can be happening right now. and it starts with the choices we make. So, what does the future of energy look like? It's clean, efficient, and interconnected, and Coventry is leading the charge. But this isn't just about the technology. It's about improving people's lives, offering hope, and showing that a sustainable future is within our grasp. The question is, are you ready to be part of it? If this vision excites you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to hear your thoughts. How do you think Coventry's green revolution could impact your life? Let's talk about it in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep pushing for a better tomorrow.